Bifarm intake and drain box is designed to supply the system with 2 intake lines as well as 1 drain line. Intake lines can be used with nutrients from the main nutrient reservoir. Insert a 1/4 inch tube into the opening of the port screw and connect to the fill valve. You can now slide your XPS underneath the tubs to continue with installation. Grab the pressure intake pump and place it on top of the metal plate. Make sure the pump is placed at the right direction. The arrows on the pump should point towards your XPS unit. Insert the other end of the 1/4 inch tube to the pump quick connector. Connect the other end of the pressure intake pump to the intake box through a 1/4 inch tube. Make sure to connect it to the inlet port on the box. Insert an additional 1/4 inch tube into the drain port on the AeroXPS. Connect the other end of the tube into the outlet port on the intake box. Now we can proceed with the pump and box connection. Connect the pin plug from the pump to the connector cable on the back of the box. Connect the intake box to the AeroXPS using the pin plug cable labeled I/O into the AeroXPS Smart Controller port labeled I/O port. Depending on your setup, you will connect this port using 1/4 inch tubes to either central plumbing lines or directly to your nutrient, water, and drain reservoirs.